An output is information delivered by a computer system to a person. It is the end product of data processing. Think of it as the system's way of speaking to you. Outputs present facts. They provide the evidence needed to understand a situation. They support good decision-making. Bad outputs lead to bad decisions. Good outputs lead to good decisions. The goal is to design outputs that clearly communicate information, enabling users to see what matters and take appropriate action. Without clear outputs, even the most powerful information system is useless. It is just a black box full of data that no one can understand or use effectively. Outputs are not just for showing final results. They are critical at every stage of a business process. An output could be a confirmation screen, a printed shipping label, or a monthly sales report. Outputs can be grouped into three main categories based on who receives them. The first category is internal outputs, designed for people inside your organization, stays within the company, used by employees, managers, executives. Inventory status reports for warehouse staff, performance dashboards for a sales team, often detailed and specific to internal operations. Company-specific codes can be used. They support daily operations and internal decisions. The second category is external outputs, designed for people outside your organization, sent to customers, suppliers, partners, government agencies. They represent the company, must be professional, clear, and easy to understand. Examples include invoices, purchase orders, shareholder reports, shipping confirmations. They often finalize transactions and must be accurate and legally compliant. Design impacts customer perception of professionalism. The third and most specialized category is turnaround outputs. External outputs designed to come back. They create a loop of information. Example, a utility bill with a payment stub. The customer returns a stub with account data, enabling fast, accurate processing. Clear for the customer, easy for the system to read. Within the world of outputs, reports are a primary way to present information. Reports can be classified into three types based on detail. The first type is the detailed report. It presents a complete record of transactions or data records. It shows one or more lines for each individual record. Think of a list of every sale in a day, or a complete list of all customers. Useful for users who need the underlying data, operational staff, and auditors verifying transactions. The second type is the summary report. A summary report presents data in a condensed form. It shows totals, averages, and other calculations. For example, total sales by region, or customers acquired each month. Designed for managers and executives who need the big picture, trends, patterns, and overall performance. A good summary helps leaders make strategic decisions. How are we doing, and where to focus? The third type is the exception report. It highlights only data that needs attention, filtering out normal ranges. Examples: accounts more than 30 days overdue, or items below reorder point. Exception reports enable management by exception, saving time and improving monitoring and control. Once you have designed a report, you must decide how to deliver it to the user. The delivery method is just as important as the content. Printed output creates a physical copy, useful for permanent records or archives, necessary for formal documents like contracts, invoices, or letters to be mailed. In warehouses or factories, paper remains practical and durable. However, printing can be slow, costly, and creates documents that must be stored, managed, and destroyed. Screen output displays information on monitors, tablets, or smartphones, fast, dynamic, and interactive. Users can scroll, click links for more info, and filter data in real time. It's the standard for internal reports and dashboards, eliminating paper waste. The main challenge is limited screen space, designed for various sizes, from desktop to small phones. Email sends reports and alerts directly to users, inline as PDF attachments, or with hyperlinks to dashboards. It pushes information so users don't have to look for it. Other methods include POS terminals, multimedia alerts, and web services to other systems. Choose the most accessible channel based on user, urgency, and environment. The way you arrange information on a page or screen is its layout. There are 3 basic layouts for presenting data. Tabular is a table of rows and columns. Use clear labels, left-aligned text, right-aligned numbers and decimals for comparison. Great for detailed, structured information. Zoned divides the page into fixed sections. Familiar structures help users find info fast. Graphic uses charts to show relationships and patterns rather than precise numbers. They're not mutually exclusive. Often the best outputs combine them. Header, chart, then detail table. Use tables for precision, zones for structure, graphics for the big picture. A picture is worth 1,000 numbers. Choosing the right chart is crucial. Use line charts to show trends over time. Avoid clutter from too many lines. Use column or bar charts to compare categories, which is biggest and how items rank. Use pie for parts of a single whole with few categories. Donuts can show a few series. Avoid too many slices. Use scatter to show relationships between 2 variables and spot correlation. Area emphasizes volume over time. Radar compares multiple attributes across items. Always select the chart that best tells the story in your data. Good output design follows simple rules. Make it easy to read. Clear title, date, time, headings, labels, and legends. Show only necessary information. Remove noise. Provide drill downs for occasional detail. Create balanced layouts. Guide the eye. Title, main data, totals. Use plain language and consistent terms across outputs. Clarity, relevance, balance, plain language. Process. Identify the need and gather requirements. Who will use it? What task? What decision? Specify physical and technical constraints early. They shape design choices. Create a prototype. Tools don't matter. Paper, spreadsheet, or simple editor's work. Use realistic sample data to make evaluation easier. Test with users. Can they find key info? What's confusing or missing? Iterate. Sketch, test, revise. Example: a zoned customer invoice with a perforated stub, clear for customers, scannable for accounting.